In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Fortnite on iPhone 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, Fortnite was removed from the App Store some years ago because of a legal dispute between Apple and Epic Games. However, there are still official methods that allow you to play Fortnite on your iPhone regardless of the model, and of course it includes your iPhone 11. For this, you will have to use Xbox Cloud Gaming. So there are three main cloud services that you can use, and all of them are officially supported by Epic Games. So if you go over to the official Epic Games or Fortnite website and you scroll down, you will see that if you are on the European Union, so the EU, you can just download the Epic Games store directly through the website, and after you have the Epic Games store on mobile, then you can use it just like the one from PC, so you can download Fortnite. But for everyone else who isn't in the EU, you will have to play using Xbox Cloud Gaming, GeForce Now, or Amazon Luna. So if you are in the USA, you have to choose one of these options. The one that I recommend for this video is going to be Xbox Cloud Gaming. To access it, you go to xbox.com/play. So once you access this website, you will load into Xbox Cloud Gaming. In here, sign in with a Microsoft account and you will see Fortnite appear on the list of games. You can add the website as an app to your home screen, so you tap this icon here to share the page, and on the list of options you will see Add to Home Screen. When you select Add to Home Screen, you can give it a name, and now essentially there's going to be an icon on your home screen that acts as an application. When you tap that icon, you will be brought into the Xbox Cloud Gaming website. And in here, once you choose the option to play Fortnite, you will begin streaming it over the cloud. And you will have full touch control support, you can connect an external controller, and you can play using your Epic Games account. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite on iPhone 11. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.